around again and say, hey, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how to ask for a drink. I said, I need you to break up the company. I love you. Falling up again last night, but this time, I never, ever, ever get back together. We never, ever, ever get back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we never, ever, ever, ever get back together. Like ever. I'm turning in the mist of different sights, and you were screaming down bright, and you got away and running for some time. Messed up, you record that's much better than mine. Falling up again tonight, but it's time. I tell you, we are never, ever, ever get back together. We never, ever, ever get back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we never, ever, ever, ever get back together. Yeah, yeah. I used to think we never, ever, I used to say never say never. And she told me, and I'm like, I don't know the lyrics, I don't know the lyrics, like ever. Get back together, we never, ever, ever get back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. I never, ever, ever, ever getting back together.
Melody about you. Melody about you. Melody about you.
Meron daw ibabalat si Jazz.
Kamami.
Apa ba kayo? Ang sarap kasing kapelo. Hindi na yung pinaka-call ng tato na narinig ko. Hindi na siya kapatid. Pasalamatan lahat ng mga taga-sister na nandito. Ibang team na nandito. Palapakan natin sila. Sila Ate Elsie, Ate Marie, Ate Val, Ate Jam. Yung ayaw namin sila pa sa mga fiancé, sila kay Errol. Palapakan natin sila. Wala sila ngayon. Mahirap yung buhay namin. Kaya maraming salamat. Palapakan din natin. Nandito yung mommy ko. Tsaka kapatid ko. Diba? Stage mom. Siyempre, parang pa yung mga sarili nyo. Ang layo pa ng mga biniyahin nyo para makapunta dito. Thank you. At nakita-kita tayo. At para sa lahat na bumili ng CD namin, we love you guys.
Love you
At ang susunod namin kanta, hindi ko kasama sa lineup, pero tutugtugin namin para sa inyo kasama dito sa album. Abangan niyo itong kantang to. Para to sa lahat ng bigyo sa pag-ibig.
Okay lang dito si Jazz!
Is there any way to endure this loneliness?